baby. Woo! We out here. Got the 450 out. Don't have much time, kind of chasing daylight here. But we got a solid hour or so, maybe a little more than that. Woo! Woo! She just gripped up. I haven't had the 450 out here ever. Only time I've really ridden it locally was that first video I made with it. First couple laps. I need to move this clutch lever down. It's like up too high. But other than that, we're feeling good. Back shock's feeling a little stiff. But I don't know, I'm contemplating sending the suspension off and getting it done on this thing. We'll see if I ever actually do that. It's a little stiff right now and I haven't really played. I'm sure there's clickers that I can play with, but nothing really compares to actually having it done by someone who knows what they're doing. Woo! Oh my God, thing's a freaking rocket ship. The thing is though, the stiffness is kind of nice sometimes. You like case jump a little bit, but whew, so it's kind of hard to like really get that in between perfect feel. Heck yeah, I got these thick ass Leat gloves. I didn't even know when I ordered them, but I guess they're like a winter glove. They're super thick. Like the range of motion isn't quite as good as a regular glove, obviously, but they're so warm. You got going a little too fast there. Noah's taking pictures. I was trying to get a good little flick going. My arms are a little pumped, baby.
Is that shit warm?
Oh yeah, it's too warm. I gotta turn it off. Man, I love this bike overall though. Sounds so good with the Yoshi too, full Yoshi pipe. All right, got the lighter gloves on and lighter jacket on. That jacket's warm, and they sent that to me for free. So I'm just testing it out, and I'll show you guys that later because they hooked it up with that jacket. Let's go! Slippery in this section. Ringing in the new year with dirt bikes. I don't know when I'm gonna get this out, but it's January 1st when we're riding here. So happy new year. Probably just hit one more jump really. It's starting, well, it's not too dark yet. Alright, it's already starting to get dark, so we don't have too much time here, but just wanted to give a quick shout out to the company that sent me this heated jacket, DEWBU. Super nice jacket. You got your little thing right here. They just sent it to me to test out, and I've been wearing it, walking the dog, riding, doing all that. So they got a little battery right here that lasts really good. It charges USB-C, and it's a nice winter jacket. As you can see, it's got a little button right here, so you just hold that. You can see the light turned on. It goes to red. That's immediately the hottest setting. You just press it once. It goes to blue. That's the medium setting. And green, that's the lowest setting. So this thing had me warm today. Too warm once I actually warmed up on the bike and was going hard. But it's not even that cold today. It's probably 45 degrees out. So a little overkill with this. But shout out to them. I'll link them in the description. They just sent it to me for free. So wanted to give them a shout out. But anyways, that's probably going to be it for today. I think we're about to load them up. It's starting to get a little dark. And get them all loaded up. But fun to get a little rip in on the first day of 2024. Appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see y'all.